Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Cash App, and more specifically, I'm going to answer a question that I've been getting a lot recently on my other video, and that is, how do you make money on Cash App? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, this is going to be a quick video, but I'm going to show you how I made over $30,000 with my Cash App, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to make money on Cash App? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you've been flipping through Instagram and you see a lot of posts where people say you can do Cash App flips, and they show you a wad of money in their pocket. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. One thing I want to let you know is you need to make sure to watch out for scams, because there are a lot of scams where people say you can make money with Cash App by scamming other people. Don't do that, because it's a good way to get your Cash App closed down or even the police called on you. So I'm going to show you how I made money on Cash App, and it starts here in the app. It's this green and white one right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave all the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to open up my Cash App now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and opened up my Cash App. Now, this is the home screen. Now, if you want to make money on Cash App, the first thing you need to do is you need to get your referral fee code. That is how I've been able to make close to $30,000 US with my Cash App. And where you find that is you're going to click right here on your profile icon here on the top right. Once you click there, you need to scroll down until you see this line right here called Invite Friends. And mine says get $5, but that changes from time to time depending on what promotion Cash App is running. For me, it's been anywhere between $5 and $15. So let me go ahead and click on that line. Okay, so once you click there, Cash App is going to ask you to go ahead and give access to your contacts. I don't really like to do that. So first, what you're going to need is you're going to need your Cash App referral code. So what you want to do is click on this kind of upload link right here on the top right. It looks like a little arrow. Once you click there, then you're going to get these social media share functions for your phone. Just do what I do and click on this copy link right here. And that way it can copy your Cash App referral code to your clipboard. Okay, so there you have it. That we now have our Cash App referral code. Let me switch on over to my clipboard and show you what mine looks like. Okay, so here is my code that I just pasted. So you don't really need all this other stuff. The only thing you're really going to need is the link right here, the hyperlink. So you can see it right there, HTTPS. Make sure you copy all of that, because if you're missing any of it, then the link is not going to work. So the way I was able to make money with my Cash App is I would send this out to my social media profiles, including my YouTube and Facebook, and anyone signs up for Cash App and then they follow basic steps within 2 weeks. Usually it's connecting their bank after clicking on your link, and then also making a transaction of $5. So they can send $5 to their mom, their brother, or whoever, and as long as they send it back, you're not going to miss out on the $5. So the way I was able to make the most amount of money was on my referral codes and then also on my YouTube video. So on my referral codes, I ended up making right around $6,000 on referrals that Cash App had paid me. Now, this is over the course over a couple of years, so it's not a get rich quick scheme, but it is pretty nice when you get emails from Cash App saying, hey, you got 15 bucks, hey, you got $5, hey, you got $10, and it all starts to add up. Also, I did get paid on my YouTube video as well, because I had close to 1 million people who watched one particular video, and the payment was pretty high on that. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. Let me jump on over to my computer. Okay, first I'm going to show you, this is one of my Cash App videos. So in this video, I'm basically teaching the same thing I'm showing you right now. And as you can see, 19,000 or close to 19,000 hours of watch time, and my estimated revenue over the course of the video has been close to $21,000. And here on the top right, you can see this video was uploaded in March of 2020, and I'm filming this in about March of 2023. So it's been going for about 3 years now. And as you can see, it still gets views to this day. So with my Cash App, I have been able to make over $20,000 with just this one video talking about Cash App, and it's a similar video to what I'm recording right now. And let me switch over to my email. Okay, so you can see here on my email, I have 327 emails in this particular email from Cash App. Each one is $5 each time somebody signed up for Cash App. So there is about $1,600 worth of referral fees. However, Cash App did shut this account down because somebody sent me money through Cash App as a thank you for my video, but then they, for some reason, charged back the credit card. So then as a security protocol, Cash App automatically shut down my Cash App. But let me switch on over to my email for my other Cash App account, that a new one that I set up. Okay, so here is my other email. You can see this one, they gave me a $15 bonus for my folks that signed up. And as you can see, there were 185 emails from them. So that's close to another 2,800 or so from Cash App. And that's just in referral fees. Okay, I switched over to my Cash App. And as you can see, so the money that went into my Cash App, it just kind of sits there. I send it out for holidays or for birthdays or whatever. But that's pretty much an easy way that you can make money with Cash App. So to kind of sum it up, basically, you want to get your Cash App referral code from the Cash App, exactly what I had shown you. Next, you want to create content that's going to help people who don't know how to use Cash App, because you and your friends know how to use Cash App, but there's still a lot of people out there because there's over 300 million people in the US, and actually Cash App is available in the UK as well. So there's even more people who are signing up for Cash App every single day. And if you happen to have the information that is going to help them use this type of software or this application before they sign up, a lot of times they're going to feel like you helped them out. So they're going to go ahead and use your code because it's not going to cost them anything extra and you get a little bonus out of it. $5 is not really a lot, but as you can see up over time, it does start to calculate into quite a bit of money. So if you're wondering how you can make money on Cash App, that's the easiest way that I was able to find how to make money with Cash App. If you know another way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.